Yeah, it's a good feeling to have the panels up and up on the roof over here installed, generating power 8 days out of 10 through the wet season. We're covering our usage, which is great, which is what the goal was. Yeah, really good to see the systems putting the power out, and not only that, when we're not using them, they're putting the power back into the grid. Yeah, we're feeding the energy back into the grid, so everything we don't use throughout the week, when we're not packing on the weekend, that energy gets pumped back into the grid, and yeah, it's clean, green energy. It gives extra power to the community, and hopefully over time will help to lower the cost of power. As a grower, we're price receivers in this industry, so quite often we're under very, very strong downward price pressures from the big players, and the only way we can really control that is by reining in our costs, being efficient, and at the end of the day choosing a solar system which was going to give us good quality, good backup service, and longevity was paramount to our decision.